Videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened on Tuesday after known monetary hawk Fed's James Bullard actually came out in support of the central bank continuing its program of asset purchases and therefore lessening the chance of it tapering quantitative easing. The greenback ended the day at 1.2905 to the euro and 102.48 to the yen. The main highlight of today's news will be Fed President Bernanke's speech when he gives testimony in Congress. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Tuesday after counterparts weakened, the dollar from Bullard's uncharacteristically dovish comments, and the pound from slowdown fears after inflation pulled back further than expected. A fall in German producer prices provided yet more reasons for further European Central Bank action. Single currency ended the day at 1.2905 to the dollar and 132.28 to the yen. Today's data includes the Eurozone current account in March. British pound. The pound fell on Tuesday after inflation data showed a bigger than expected fall in the consumer price index, which fell to 2.4% from 2.8% in the previous year, raising growth concerns. Sterling ended the day at 1.5153 to the dollar and 0.8516 to the euro. Today sees the release of a welter of data, including the minutes from the Bank of England's last rate meeting, retail sales and public sector borrowing in April. Japanese yen. The yen weakened on Tuesday after the economy minister Akira Amari, who recently said he thought the yen had fallen too far, was getting dangerously weak, softened his comments following pressure from the cabinet colleagues, keen to show they were not against further devaluation. The yen ended the day at 102.48 to the dollar and 155.23 to the pound. Today sees the release of the Bank of Japan policy decision statement, with growing speculation of a possible increase in bond purchases to help prop up declining Japanese government bond prices. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions at 1.2895 with 1.2955 and 1.2995 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.2875, which will call for a slide towards 1.2835 and 1.279. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.518 with 1.511 and 1.507 in sight. The upside breakout of 1.518, which will open the way to 1.5225 and 1.5255. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 102.9 with targets at 102.05 and 101.85. The upside penetration of 102.9, which will call for 103.3 and 103.7. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets4you. Have a great day.